Hello my friends, I hope you're having a dazzling day. My name is Ezra Anderson, and today we're going to add some shine to this necklace, and then we'll make this lamp glow. If you'd like to follow along with the same images I'll be using today, I've left a download link in the video description right beneath the subscribe button. To make our shine effect, the first thing we're going to do is select the rectangle tool, and then we'll click and drag to make a white rectangle going across our photo. Then we're going to change its blend mode from normal to color dodge. At this point, nothing has happened when we change the blend mode to color dodge, but when we start to change the color of the rectangle, take notice of what happens. To change the rectangle's color, we'll come up to the context toolbar to fill, and then take a look at what happens when we start to change its color closer to black. You can see that it's beginning to add a shine to our photo, but we're going to move the color all the way to black. At this point, our black rectangle set to color dodge is having no effect on our picture. But what we can do is start to paint white on the rectangle, and then it'll bring back some of that shine we saw earlier when we had a gray rectangle. Before we can paint on the rectangle though, we need to rasterize it, which you can do by just right-clicking on it and then press rasterize. Now we'll select the paintbrush and make sure that you're painting in white and have 0% hardness and a very low flow, around 5% is good. If you want to learn more about these brush settings in the context toolbar, you can check out our beginner's guide to Affinity Photo in the video description. Now we just need to start painting in white on the part of the photo we want a shine applied to. I'm going to start painting on the woman's necklace. The more you paint, the more shine effect will be applied. And just like that, we've added a shine to the necklace. Now let's come over to our lamp photo. Just as before, we're going to make a rectangle going across our photo. But this time we can just start off with a black rectangle. I was just using a white rectangle before for demonstration purposes. We still need to change its blend mode to color dodge though, and then right-click on it to rasterize the layer. Then we'll select the paintbrush, and we can start painting to reveal the effect. One tip for you is to apply more paint in the center of your shine, and then apply less paint on the edges. This will help to make the effect a little more convincing, so it looks like the shine is very bright in the center, and then becomes less bright as you get farther away from the light source. Now we've added a shine to the lamp. One thing I don't particularly like though, is how much shine is being applied to the lamp right along this edge. To take away some of the shine, I'm going to get the eraser tool, and then lower its flow to around 5% as well. I'll also make the brush size a little smaller, and begin erasing some of the white paint so we don't have so much shine applied here. That looks better to me, so I'll press Command or Control 0 to see our entire photo. And here is the original lamp, and here it is with the shine applied. If you followed along with this tutorial, go ahead and share your work on Instagram with the hashtag AffinityRevolution so me and the rest of the community can see your results. Thanks for watching my friends, and I'll see you in the next Affinity Revolution tutorial.